Hello everyone, my name is B. Saidhiraj. Today I am going to explain about IoT based home automation system which I did an internship on Emertxe. So we can see about project further. Contents are what is IoT, what are embedded systems, C and C++ language, about project screenshot and conclusion. Then what is IoT? The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. These devices range from ordinary household objects to industrial tools by means. Next, what are embedded system? An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software designed for a specific function. Embedded system may also function with a larger system. This system can be programmable or have a fixed functional. Examples in industrial machines, automobiles, medical equipments, cameras, digital watches, household appliances. Then we learned about C language and C++. Some of the few basics covered in C language are basics, syntax and data types, operators and arrays, functions and pointers, preprocessor, storage class, strings. Some of C++ language are basic syntax, classes and objects, constructors and destructors. About project requirements are IDE, Arduino Uno, simulation, Picsim lab, controlling devices using Blynkit, which is in our mobile app. So next week further discuss about functioning. In this project we built successfully by writing multiple lines of code in Arduino and Picsim lab simulation. In our IoT home automation system, we included controlling garden lights, LDR sensor and light dependent on the amount of sunlight received. If there was no sunlight, LEDs would switch on, and if there was a good amount of sunlight, the LED would glow off. Next, we controlled temperature system including heater and cooler, which would function sensing temperature around. Then finally we controlled water tank system where we had inlet and outlet valve. If the water valve of tank goes below 2000 liters, we will receive notification on our Blink app that water level is below 2000 liters and the inlet valve automatically turned on. So you can see the project screenshot here where it shows temperature and outlet valve, inlet valve on and off in the display. As we see, the temperature is 27.37 and valve. Here it is the cooler fan with temperature, and this is the LED where the LDR sensor detected no light, so the LEDs are turned on. Then we can see that all the LEDs are glowing, and here the tanker with inlet and outlet valve with some reading 1940. Here you can see. Then this is the Blink app screenshot with tab 1, tab 2, cooler is off and heater also is in off. It shows the temperature and the message temperature is greater than 35, turning off the heater, and temperature greater than 35, turning off the heater. Here you can see another notification in different. Water level is less than 2000, water inflow enabled. Here tab 2 you can see inlet valve, outlet valve off. in tab 2 water volume. So finally I conclude that we would like to thank Emertxe for making this project successful. We are able to build IoT based automation system and control it using Blink app. This is the code for our project, and this is demonstration where you can see Blink app outlet valve, and when the cooler is on we can see the temperature in it, and the cooler fan is running. So you can see 27.37 cooler fan on. When it's off, it shows the off in the display. As you can see, temperature is varying, and you can see the Blink app in it. Then you can see the water tank is full, and when we on, the water is decreasing gradually in it. So we can see the decreasing in the screen. So when inlet valve is on, it stops the reading in tab 2. So you can see here, and we can see the notification temperature is greater than, and it is shown in the notification bar. So then we can see the LDR sensor. There is no sunlight, so the LEDs are turned on in the screen. So when there is more sunlight, it will glow off. See, as you can see in this. See, when sunlight appears, it will glow. So thank you for all.